Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to explore a delicious native or local recipe that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. Roasted yam and local sauce. So if you are interested, please continue watching. Now let's begin. First, you grab your yam. You can decide to peel it or not. So I'm going to roast with the back, okay? Yes, but if you choose to peel the back, it's still okay. I just want to do it the way we used to do way back. Yes. Because the yam I'm using is a bit long, so I divided it into two. You can do same, okay? But if the yam you're using is short, I don't think there is need for it. It happened that the yam I'm using is rotten, some part is rotten, yes. So this is me getting rid of them. After that, we're going to wash it and transfer into the oven in the roast. Mind you, you can use firewood or your charcoal, okay, to roast your yam. All done. So you pop it into the oven and roast. Moving on. Here are some of the ingredients for our local sauce. Yes. So let me start by introducing it to you guys. This one here is called ogiri, okay? Local seasoning. Very important. It is nutritious as well. Now, next ingredient. This one is called Ugba or Ukbaka, okay? Made from oil bean seed. Very nutritious, guys. Next is our pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. These two, very hot. You can use more than these two, okay? Here is our onions. Very important as well. So here is salt, okay? We use it to salt our sauce. So now, guys, let's move on to the next stage. Get your blender and transfer your onions. Next is the peppers. I'm going to blend it roughly, okay? If you don't have blender, you can do it with your hands using your chop board and your knife. Make sure you cut it into smaller sizes, all right? Just like this, guys. This is what it is looking like after blending. All right, you are free to increase your ingredients if you want more sauce, okay? Now, let's move on. In a clean, dry pan, go in with your red oil, your palm oil. A reasonable amount of it, okay? Once it is heated, go on and pour in the pepper and onion mix. Okay, the one we blended earlier. Now, give it a nice stir. We're going to allow it to fry for a minute, okay? This is after 1 minute of frying, and we're checking, guys. At this point, go on and introduce your okpaka or your Ugba, okay? Make sure before now you washed it with hot water and salt, okay? All right, now we're adding our salt. Please be careful with the salt so you don't over salt it, okay? Now give it a nice stir to well combine. All right? We're going to allow it to fry for 1 minute, okay? Now this is us checking back after 1 minute, but now we're going to introduce our ogiri. This is after 1 minute of frying. Now we are introducing our ogiri, okay? The truth is that this ogiri takes the meat to the next level. It brings out the taste, honestly. But if you don't want to use it, you want to skip it, it's still fine, okay? Because of the smell, I understand. You can, and it will still come out very tasty and nice. All right? But if you can, please, by all means, all right? So we're not going to use any seasoning like Maggi or no stuffs like that, no. Salt and the ogiri is fine. And if you're not making use of the ogiri, salt is still fine, okay? Unless you want to do your, yes. Now we are introducing our leafy green. We're making use of spinach, yes. But the right leaf to use is otazo leaf. I can't find it here. Yeah. So those of you living in Africa, Nigeria, you can find it. Just sprinkle a little of it. It is a bit bitter. Yeah, in fact, it's bitter, yes. So do not overuse it. And to you that is living abroad just like me and you're wondering where to grab all of this ingredient, just look out for any African store near you. You'll see it there. Yes, that's where I got mine. So now we are checking back on our yam, our roasted yam. Guys, it is set. I told you we'll be roasting with the back. Yeah, it is more tastier. Just try it. So you go ahead and get rid of the back like they just scrape it. Just like you're watching me do. Shout out to all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is super grateful for all your massive love and support. Please keep it up, okay? And thank you so much. And to you that is meeting my video for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Please do well to subscribe so you become part of the family. And also turn on your notification bell so you receive an alert each time I post new video. Okay? Thank you. All right, let's continue. But at this point, guys, we're done scraping the yam. It is looking smooth and nice. Very soft, guys. Very soft. Guys, yam is ready. Next thing is to plate our local delicious sauce. This is looking good. Guys, please continue watching because we're going to test it together, okay? Yummy, tasty, delicious. Look at how it's looking. Tell me you're not salivating where you are right now. Just tell me. Oh my, guys, this combo, this combination, oh my. Guys, don't worry. Let's test it, okay? Grab the knife and cut it open, like cut it into bite sizes. This is how we do it. Yeah, in the village. Village life, the sweet shop. Guys, and everybody would just round the food and we'll be just, dipping and eating. So much fun, guys. So this meal reminds me, it brings back memories, okay? So guys, if you've not tried it, this is an opportunity for you. Just follow the steps and you're good to having this delicious meal right on your dining table. All right, guys, let's have a taste. Now you grab the yam, dip it into the sauce, okay? Pack as many as you want. And guys, oh my, this is heavenly. Guys, it tasted good. This deserves good head slapping. What are you waiting? Give it a go, okay? And another thing is that it is very nutritious. Guys, the Ugba, the ogiri. Oh my, just check out the ingredient. The Ugba alone got a whole lot of nutrients. Guys, do not sleep on this one. Give it a go, okay? I'm grabbing more, guys. This is very good. It tastes super good. Look at how soft it is. Very soft and sweet. Like the yam alone is sweet. Then the sauce, guys. Try it out and enjoy. All right? So, guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and like, share, and comment. Remember to subscribe as well. Thank you.